Plethora of pleasure is that we are fortunate enough to celebrate this pious day in the Indian history. This is called Republic Day of our country. But simultaneously, immensity of agony is that we are forced to celebrate this pious day in such a virtual way. We cannot get together because of corona pandemic. We are to safeguard our countrymen, our people. That's why we cannot celebrate this pious day in open. An American always says America is great. A Nepali always says Nepal is great. A Sri Lankan always says Sri Lanka is great. And in the same way, if an Indian says India is great, so it looks simple, it looks common, it carries no appeal. What's speciality when we say that India is great? I say India is great. Yes, I say India is great. Not because I'm a native Indian, but because India deserves to be called great. Yes, India is great because it has the positivity with purity. Yes, India is great because it has plethora of piousness. Yes, India is great because it is the paragon of peace. And yes, India is great because it is the pioneer of pluralism in the whole world. India is recognized, revered, and respected in the world for its idea of inclusiveness. Despite having many differences of caste, color, culture, cuisine, religion, and region, we all are one and same, and that is Indian. This very Indianness bounds us all together. An Indian Muslim, even in a Muslim country, is recognized as an Indian, not as a Muslim. In the same way, an Indian Christian recognized even in Rome as an Indian, not as a Christian. This very feeling of Indianness, this very recognition of Indianness give us a pride, a privilege, a potential, a passion to love our country and to die for our country. There is no other country in the world which can claim to have so many religions, which can claim to have so many languages in the world. That's why I say that India is great. Yes, India is great. Reason is our constitution. Our constitution treats every citizen same and equal. Every citizen shares same rights. There is no privilege of anybody on anybody else. This is the greatness of our country. This is the greatness of India. That's why we say India is great. Jai Hind, Khuda Hafiz.